So I think post the Westfield merger last year, the strategy for Unibail as it was and now Unibail Rodamco Westfield is very much the same. Our focus for a number of years has been to concentrate on the ownership of flagship retail destinations in key districts, key cities that have great connectivity, have great footfall and really offer a unique and a strong experience for our customers. And that was really where the marriage of the two businesses came from. Westfield had, I think, a very similar strategy. They'd also been selling off a lot of their more secondary assets over a number of years, as had the former Unibail Rodamco. Their geographies were, of course, London, which is a market that we would have loved to have been in for a long time. It's a strong market, a very, very strong market in Europe. Also a critical market for retailers coming into Europe, or in the future, I suppose, UK outside of Europe. But either way, very important. And also within the US, a lot of people say, well, you've gone into the US, isn't that scary? But our strategy is not to be in the US. You have to remember it's a market, nearly as big as Europe in terms of what's going on there, consumers, number of people to spend. We're in a very small part of it, which is primarily California, but it's markets like LA, San Francisco, San Diego, it's New York, New Jersey, it's one asset each in Chicago and Seattle. There are a few assets in Florida which are a little bit more problematic, but that represents a very small part of the total business, which is now 65 billion of assets, so very substantial.